Hi, I'm Arijit Ghosh. I'm doing this internship in Mentorness. This is the task three, or rather the final task given by the Mentorness. This is the hotel aggregator analysis which I have done, and it is a Power BI visualization. So this is the batch name of this internship is MIP DA07. So yeah, let's begin. So this includes the contents of this project include the problem statements, what are the objective of the projects and why we are doing the projects, or what's the view of our doing this project. And after that, we after analyzing the dashboard, or the like the features of the dashboard, and we get some insights, and from that insight we can also get conclusion. And in the final stage, from that conclusion, I have whatever I have understood from this, and I have recommendation from my side, I have also given at the last of this project. Okay, so let's start from the problem statement. So this aims this particular this project aims to analyze a data set which is a hotel aggregator listings in the Power BI, and it includes like listings, host names, reviews, and different availability of rooms and types of rooms. The main objective is to create a visualization and insights, which particularly, or the focus of this visualization is particularly to analyze the trend patterns and factors which are like the pinpoint of this is to influencing the performance of listing and other factors which are related to this. So this is a problem statement. So these are the project objectives. So as I said, there are like as mentioned, we have to follow this, or we rather have to follow this particular thing. Like we have to find the geographical insights, pricing and availability of rooms, analysis of that, different host performance, review scores, and guest satisfaction. So this is, yeah. So yeah, this is the dataset which we have, like this is the dataset of, it's about the CSV version. So this is a hotel aggregated dataset, so which we I have done this in Power BI. It's a screenshot. Okay, so yeah, this is, after that I have to transform data and all. So this is the features. So geographical insights, as I mentioned in the objective. So this is the dashboard mentioning about the geographical insight. These are the main points where the distribution of the listings in the area are there. This is mainly this is the heat map. It indicates that most of them are around the Melbourne sections. It's the south section of the Melbourne. And yeah, here also we can see that Australia, this part of the bubble circle is the highest. So yeah, this is the features which I've also given the raw Power BI files in the, I've also submitted that. So there we can easily get the interactive dashboard and all. So this is the price and availability section. So average of beds and average price of bedrooms are there. So, and this is the list of available lists or available host which we can get. This is the next month, the next 2 months, and so on. There is also average price according to the room type. So we can see that the hotel room in particular in August section is one of the most highest. So, and shared room is comparatively cheaper than other type of rooms. So yeah, this is, I have also use this price range and filtering date, whichever date if someone wants to see, we can have that. And after that, the one of the most important features is that the performance of the host. So this is the total host location, count of total host, and total number of hosts, and this they are also filtering that I have applied. So these are the basically like a whole status, like whether the host are super host or not, whether they have availability, and whether their profile picture is there. Host verification is very important, like whether the like this a host name A is only their verification of phone, not the email. So here, from here we can also understand all the features and all. So this is the minimum night prices according to according to the sections. So yeah, this is the thing. And property and room analysis. So this is the section, like these are the total type of properties are there, and types of rooms. Only four types of rooms are there, like rental is there, private room is there. So the price by property section is also there, like rental unit, the price is this, and enter home, and prices of room types is also there. So I've also introduced the prices by months, like month wise how the prices are, like deviating from one to another. So this is also I've given there. So yeah, so basically we got some insights from all this dashboard and all, which I got that the most listing is the Melbourne, Australia, which is almost around 6,000 plus listings and spread across 30 neighborhood, which I mentioned earlier in my first slide, in the first dashboard page. And the second insight which I got is that the highest availability of listing occurred in July 20, and others are January, April, and August in 2023. For basically its duration for 1 month, 2 months, and for 1 year respectively. And then another interesting thing I got, that the more bed rooms one order, the higher the price. But uh, somehow that when the ordering around 14 bedrooms, it can yield significantly lower prices in many of the places. So, and we in the last slide we saw that shared rooms are the cheapest option, while hotel room price increases, especially in the month of August. So from my side, there are recommendation, like the recommendation is to, like these are the the things I recommend, like host performance optimization, prices and availability strategies, guest satisfaction enhancement, and property and room type management. So these are all basically uh, can be like marketing strategies, can be for like surrounding this we can have our marketing strategies to improve the overall like client satisfaction. So so from my side there are recommendation, like uh, I have to, like we have to encourage hosts to maintain quick response times. This is basically to enhance the guest satisfaction, which is the like most important thing in this project. And we can also use multiple verification methods. So in case of this booking fee structure and all, this building trust among the guests is very important. So this will take the box. And we can also adjust pricing based on the accommodates to maximize the revenue and occupancy. So this the focus on pricing trends should be a must to set a competitive rates for respective room types, and thus overall this also increases the uh, like it also like increases the profitability of this business and all. So close monitoring is also needed during rush seasons, and especially with this rush seasons and all, we can adjust the price accordingly to that. So this monitoring of this trend is very important, and focus should be more on the improving review scores of the guest. So the focus should be more on improving review scores, which were given by the guest for the host and all. This is like a focus point is always on this part. And the important another important is that the satisfaction level of the guest, it must be traced to enhance customer satisfaction. This is the whole point of all this doing this project. And basically to optimize the inventory structure, we have to understand the popularity of certain property, then only we can optimize the whole structure and all. So from this insight we can also like refine marketing strategies, and we can target relative customer segments effectively by refining those all strategies and all, particularly to customers. And thus it will enhance guest satisfaction, and thus overall it will also increases the profitability of this business and all. So yeah, that's it. This is from my side. My name is Arijit Ghosh. This is my email, and this is my LinkedIn also I've given, and this is me. Okay. So thank you. And thank you, Mentorness, for giving this opportunity. And this is like it's an excellent journey. This is a whole learning experience, real life, working with the real life data and all. So thank you once again, and yeah, signing off.